When Money Control Pro began its journey, who would have imagined that a paid digital service will cross 1 million mark? Heartiest congratulations to Money Control Pro in achieving this milestone. It's testimony to quality of your research, ease of operating your app, and most importantly, the reward which one gets while using the same.
In this age of free content everywhere on the internet, it is amazing to see MC Pro or Money Control Pro get 1 million paying subscribers in India. I mean, I've been a follower and user of Money Control for a very long time. Congratulations on this great achievement.
I take this opportunity to wish the Money Control team heartiest congratulations on this amazing achievement of reaching 1 million paid subscribers. I wish you many, many, many more years of continued and great success.
This is a fantastic achievement. As a regular user of the site, I've seen how the content has improved. And over the years, it's become the go-to site for anybody who wants to keep track of the Indian markets, the Indian economy, all the stories, all the analysis. So congrats to the team. All the hard work that has gone into that has allowed you to reach this 1 million mark. And I'm confident that this is just a milestone along the way to even future growth and many, many years of delivering great content and great analysis.
Reaching 10 lakh customers on Money Control Pro is quite a feat. I've always enjoyed the depth of coverage and the analysis that you have. And this is just a milestone that will bring many, many more. And best wishes to the Money Control team for reaching this milestone and for the future.
A very hearty congratulations to the Money Control and specifically the Money Control Pro team for achieving this very significant milestone of 1 million subscribers. It is not easy to achieve 1 million subscribers in a paid capacity in over the internet. So, and I think that is a testament to the value that is being provided to customers because they are able to take money out of their pockets and spend for something. That implies they are finding value in that particular analysis, which is fairly in-depth, incisive, and obviously adds value to the people. That's precisely why they pay. I believe this is just the start. This platform will continue to grow and do well.
In India, it's really difficult to make people pay for premium stock market content, for high quality equity research, and therefore just stunned and pleasantly surprised to hear that so early in its existence, Money Control Pro has hit 1 million users. Congratulations to everybody at Money Control Pro.